we're to the fifth portion of our project, and it is to prototype, to move forward into digital prototyping, to model. And what we're doing is the sketches that we've already made, the ones that you have in your mind's eye, we're going to try to move them into a digital format, and we're going to model that, and we're going to make sure that all these different components fit in together into our grand scheme, into our entire assembly, and it functions effectively. Certain components that we want to keep in mind to make sure that this is as efficient as possible is the fact that we don't want to run the pump all the time. This is going to be a key factor. We have to find a way that we can monitor the heat transfer from TED into the water, and we want to stage this water, and we want to move the next volume up to where it has a chance to remove the therms, and then ultimately place those into the ground in the course of the day. What we want to be able to do, though, is activate that pump, turn it on, turn it off. It would function similar to a thermostat in a house. There is a window in there that once the temperature drops below this, it turns on, and once it raises above that, it shuts off for a heating cycle, and vice versa for a cooling cycle. So right now, we want to work to the point to where we have good drawings to start with, and then by the time we get done with this particular portion, we're going to have a good idea of what is going to be required when we actually go into the shop and we start cutting our tubing and we start putting our heat transfer, our heat coil together, and how we're going to keep it robust and safe and everything. And